So, and any example that you can share, what that looks like?
Sure. So again, but it starts at the top. If it doesn't start at the top of the house, it's never going to work. Like anything, it doesn't matter what initiative, what culture, what you're trying to do.
Yeah.
But it is as easy as the business owner. The business owner doesn't have to be the entrepreneur because they're the entrepreneur, right? They're the visionary. They're the founder. They're the idea person. The entrepreneur comes behind and they're the doers.
Yeah.
They're going to do and look at things. So really starts with the culture, buying in, and then identifying. Most entrepreneurs you want to identify in your company. And every business owner that I talk to, I ask them, if you had 5 characteristics that you're looking for, and those characteristics are a passionate team member, be passionate about life, work, everything. 2, they're tenacious. They just get after it every single day. They're extremely resourceful. So there's number 3, resourceful. Number 4 is they're a life learner. They're always learning about new things. You can go. They're not watching Netflix shows all day long. They're not on the weekends, or they're reading. They're learning. They have hobbies. They're always doing different.
They want to grow, right?
They want to grow, exactly.
Yeah.
And then they're going to challenge the status quo, and that's where sometimes the rub comes in.
Yeah.
Because as you look at your company, you only want 20%, and it doesn't matter how large or how small, but 20% of your overall employees, your team members, should have these traits as an entrepreneur, because those are the folks that are going to drive your company to the next level. Yeah. And it's just not around innovation. A lot of times people say entrepreneurship's innovation. It's not strictly innovation. I don't look at it from an innovation perspective. You can. Yeah. That's not my teaching. My teaching is around tapping these folks and allowing them to improve your business because they're vital. We tag those people, they're vital employees, 20%. And then you have your functional, which are 80% of your company.
Yeah. If you like Mind Innovation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Mind Innovation on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And make sure to check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.